Hello friends, I would like to tell you about the mounting system for installation of accessories on T-tracks of motorboats and kayaks. Installing it on aluminium T-track you can use for medium and high loads, such as mounting of the anchor system over 8 kilograms, spinning rod holders for trolling, a tent kit, and so on. The design consists of several parts, such as the mount, the mounting pad, the plug, which protects the mount of moisture, and various particles, a fixing element, and clamping handle nuts with T-bolts. The mounting system additionally provides the installation of a second mount. The pad is used in the vertical position when it has been installed on aluminum profiles of motorboats. Also, this mounting system for accessories can be installed on T-tracks that are directed vertically in relation to the vessel. The pad can be moved along and fixed in the selected position as on horizontal profile surfaces, as well as on vertical ones. The main material of the system, the fiberglass-reinforced polyamide. The range also includes a similar mounting kit with 2 mounts for accessory. I personally guarantee you the high quality of BORIKA products, because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.